Hello, this is Mr. Wright. This is the one-step equations, multiplication, and division video. We will be using MSG pages 95 and 99. Please open your MSG to page 99. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, and the inverse operation of division is multiplication. Remember, these are the operations that undo each other. So let's look at the example on page 99. First, we're going to draw a line in the sand, just like we did for adding and subtraction. Okay. And the goal is we want to get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. Okay. So we have 5 times d. Okay. So to undo multiplication, we are going to divide. Okay, and to divide, I'm going to use the fraction bar, which also means divide. So I'm going to divide 5d by 5 and divide 210 by 5. Okay. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So it simplifies to 1, which would be 1d. Now 1d is that sneaky 1. I do not have to write the 1 in front of the d. Okay? And d is equal to, well, let's check it out. 5 goes into 210. Let's see. So 5 goes into 21 4 times. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, which gives us 1. Then bring down the 0. Okay, 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 times 2 is 10. And of course 10 minus 10 is 0. We are done. So 5 divides into 210 42 times. Okay. And as we've discussed with adding and subtracting, we need to check our answer. So let's substitute in 42 for d. So 5 times 42 equals 210. And we need to check our solution. 42 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. And add the 1, 210. Therefore, 210 is equivalent to 210. Yay! Therefore, d must be equivalent to 42. So d must be equivalent to 42. Okay, now let's look at example number 2. Again, let's draw a line in the sand. Okay. And we have b divided by 6 5/10. Remember that fraction bar means divide in this case, divided by. Okay. So to undo division on the left side, to get b by itself, we are going to use multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 6 5/10. And we say we are multiplying by the reciprocal. So 6.5 over 1 times b over 6.5 times 6.5. Okay. These two will simplify since they divide into each other one time. This will simplify to 1b, which is just b because of the sneaky 1. And then over here we're going to have to do the work for 9 7/10 times 6.5. Remember, you cannot use calculators on this unit. 5 times 7 is 35. It's 35. Carry the 3. 5 times 9 is 45. Add the 3, that's 48. Okay. 0 is a placeholder. Okay. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 6 times 9 is 54. Add the 4, that's 58. Okay. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 plus 8 is 12. Add the 1, that's 13. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. Last, we need to see where that decimal is. Well, we have a decimal. We have one place here and one place here, so our decimal would be 1, 2 places from the left. Okay. Therefore, B is equivalent to 63 5/100. Okay, of course, we have to check our answer to make sure it's correct. So for B, we will substitute 63 5/100 in for B. And it's 63 5/100 divided by 6 5/10. And we want to see if that's equivalent to 9 7/10. Okay. Okay. So we're going to do 6.5 as the divisor, 63 5/100. Okay, 6.5 goes into, move the decimal one place to the right. Whatever you do to the divisor, you do to the dividend. Bring the decimal straight up. 65 goes into 630. How many times? 65 goes into 630 9 times. 9 times 665 is 585. Okay, and then we got to borrow from the 6, got to subtract, add the 1, borrow from the 13. 10 minus 5 is 5. 12 minus 8 is 4. And bring down to 5. Okay. 65 goes into 455 7 times. And 7 times 65 is 455. Which shows our answer is equivalent. 9 7/10 is equivalent to 9 7/10. Yay! Our answer is correct. B must be equivalent to 63 5/100. Okay. Next one, let's try number 3. First, draw the line in the sand. Okay, and now we're going to undo multiplication by division. So we have 5 1/2. Before we undo with division, let's change this mixed number to an improper fraction. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 1, that is 11. Okay, so we have 11 over 2. Okay, n, because it's multiplied by n, is equal to 3. So first I rewrote it using improper fractions. Next I'm going to undo the multiplication by division by multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply by 2 over 11. Okay? And then I'm going to do 3 times 2 over 11. Okay? This side simplifies to 1n, which is n equals, and then this side, 3 times, remember we could put a 1 below the 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 times 11 is 11. So therefore our answer is 6/11. Okay? And again, we could substitute to check our answer. So remember, 5½ as an improper fraction is 11/2 times 6/11 is equal to 3. Okay, so we're going to check. 11 times 6 is 66. 2 times 11 is 22. Okay, equal to 3. And when we simplify 66 divided by 22, it goes into 66 3 times, which means 3 is equivalent to 3. Yay, it's correct. So n must be equivalent to 6/11. Okay, now go to your multiplication page, or the chart page on page 95. Okay, it should be page 95. Okay. Okay, so next we're going to undo multiplication by division. So we'll do 5 2/10 divided by 5 2/10. Okay, so divide both sides using the fraction bar. Okay. Okay, s is by itself. We do 10.4 divided by 5.2. Okay, so I write it out to the side so I can divide by using long division. I'm going to pause the video, and I want you to try to complete this on your own, and then I will show you the answer. Okay, so s must be equivalent to 2. We divide 10.4, or 10 4/10, by 5 2/10, we end up with 2. When we substitute 2 into the original equation and see if they're equivalent, well, 10 4/10 is equivalent to 10 4/10 when we substitute 2 in for s. Therefore, yay, s must be equivalent to 2. Okay, and our last problem, try this one again on page 95. On the division section, I will pause the video, try it on your own first. Okay, so r must be equivalent to 369. When we undo the division by multiplication, we multiply by 9 on both sides. 41 times 9 is 369. Then when we substitute 369 in for r, we do 369 divided by 9, which results in 41. Therefore, 41 is equivalent to 41. Yay! So r must be equivalent to 369. Please complete these homework problems on page 99 for homework, and you may refer to any problems in this video for help or review previous examples. Thank you for watching the video.